Hi everyone, this is going to be a video on how you can prevent your clay from sticking to the pasta machine, as well as avoid those black or colored lines when you're rolling your clay through the pasta machine, especially when you're using white clay. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a sheet of baking paper. This is the kind of paper you use in your kitchen, and you can find it at most grocery stores for like $2 or less. So you can also use printing paper, but the thing with printing paper is printing paper can stick to your clay. It will be a little hard to remove, so I suggest using some baking paper because baking paper does not stick to your clay. And you're going to make sure, so there is a more glossy side to the baking paper and there is a more matte side. You can kind of feel the difference. It doesn't matter too much. Both sides works, but I always suggest using the glossy side because it's less likely to stick to your clay. So what you're going to do is you're going to sandwich the clay between, like this. Sandwich it. But the thing is, you don't want your clay to be all the way down like this. You want your clay to be somewhere in the middle. So when you're rolling, you can pull the baking paper while you're rolling. It can be really hard to roll without pulling. Let me show you. It's really hard to roll your clay through like this, but when you put it in the middle and you pull the paper while you're rolling, it's a lot easier. See how fast and easy that is? And see how clean the clay is? You don't get that black line on the clay. And your clay does not stick to baking paper. So you don't have to worry about removing the clay from the paper afterwards. That just saves you a lot of time, as well as it keeps your work more cleaned. I hope this tip helps. See you guys next time.